Yeah, she's cute. She's a look, child. She a look. I love it. I love it. So welcome back to the channel. Today we have another wig that comes to us from Sam's Beauty. Today's wig is from Sensational and it is from the Wet Lace collection. Now I got this wig maybe a few years ago when it first came out. However, I wanted to review it in this color, so that's why I asked them to send it over. So the color that we have is going to be Money Piece Gold. I think the last time I reviewed it I might have had Money Piece Caramel or something like that. I'm not sure. Plus I'm going to insert a picture somewhere here to let you guys see this wig that I ended up seeing advertised on Facebook. I know, but I saw it on Facebook and I thought that this one here would be a good dupe to that one because that one was a human hair wig. So when I saw the streaks in the front, I thought it would be a good dupe. So the wig we have today is going to be Celeste. I guess that's how I pronounce it. It's going to be Celeste. And I have it in Money Piece Gold. I'm not sure. It says it comes with HD lace. Keep them guessing. So this is the box that it comes in, and this, like I said, is the color. I'm sure this color probably has been reviewed, but like I said, I saw that wig and I was thinking, like, I'm sure that wig's like really expensive and we may can find something that would be a nice dupe for us. And I can tell you already, I like the color. I'm taking it out of the packaging with you guys, so hope everybody is doing well today. Y'all see me with this bright hair. Not sure I've even posted this review yet, but you know, we got some summer hair. So this is the color, and I guess it's a little bit different than what I had in mind. I had in mind just having the streaks in the front, but you do get the color at the tips and you get the dark root pretty much halfway through. And I want to say, is this dark root probably about a 1B? It's definitely not a jet black. This is going to be the front of the hairline. I'm gonna pull my hand back just so you can kind of see it. So you know, they usually make pretty good wigs. The Wet Lace collection pretty much changed the game, trying to make these wigs look more scalp like. So I think Outre came in, they kind of just took over. But Wet Lace collection to me is still a wonderful option because they do have some good wigs in that, and they do have some good colors, excuse me, in the collection. So like I said, we're gonna go ahead on and get her on. I love the waves in this one. The cap construction on these are pretty standard. You do get a lot of parting with these, which is very nice. I will say the thing that I do like about these, if I remember correctly, is that the lace does look really good, so you don't have to do a lot of spray, because that was before that time came. So you don't have to do a lot of things when it comes to that. And like I said, you get two combs. You get a comb in the back and you get just a strap. So it's the regular cap. So this is the streaks that come in the front of it, and it is really, really pretty. This is what I was talking about with that other wig. I think that, like I said, this is just gorgeous. So I did put on my wig grip with this. And I just wanted to see how the lace was and where it came at on me. It comes down pretty far. I will say it's supposed to be pre-plucked, but I'm not sure. I'm so used to the melted hairline that, yeah, it's not as pre-plucked. But it's still something we can work with. Like I said, I really like this color. Let me go in and style her and get the lace off. But she's pretty, guys. Like, she really is. I remember this wig being like a gorgeous wig, and it still is. And in this color, it's even prettier. Okay, let's get down to business, ladies. So this wig is still beautiful to me. I absolutely love these streaks and this color and highlight in the front. So cutting the lace off, obviously I'm doing my normal. I just went in, cut the lace off. I'm not trying to do too many baby hairs on this. Now if you want to pluck it to the gods, go ahead, sis, get your pluck on. If you want to, you can pluck it and it's going to look good. I literally only put a little bit of spray around here for the sake of the video, and I just went in with a little bit of spray. So I was going to pull it up into a little updo, and then I thought, why don't I see how it looks in this middle part, because that kind of went with the wig, or was the style of the wig that I saw. So that's what I'm doing here. Now you do get some hump action in this. Where that frontal is on here, you get a little bit of hump action. I went in and I did put a little bit of powder in there. Girl, look at this. I love these streaks. I'm loving that blend at the bottom. I will say the dark root is kind of like hit or miss, but other than that, I do like it. Pulling it up is really easy too. I went ahead and pulled up one side so you guys could see that. you know, that you can pull it up. All in all, she's super pretty. I love her. Let's go ahead on and have some conversation, some pros, some cons about this little unit. Okay, you guys, so this is going to be the final look for this wig, and she is serving everything I thought she would with these highlights in the front. So let me pull all the hair to the front on her. I will tell you that I do remember her tangling just a little bit, like right at the tips, and I feel like this one is doing the same thing. It's tangling a little bit down bottom here, but with the longer wigs, we expect that. I'm here for this. I'm here for all this in the front. I am loving it. I pushed this one back a little bit, and this one's kind of like doing its own thing. I guess if I wanted to, I could push both of them, you know, where it kind of like has a cowlick there, like that. But you guys, look at that. Look at that. It is just, it's gorgeous. I mean, I love all this, and I'm so in love with all of the money pieces, but then having this little brown color at the end, that is really pretty. So I like how they blended that down bottom, and it's not too heavy and it's not too thick. It's kind of like the perfect density. And then it goes into, you know, like this wave curl, which is really cute. So loving the colors, the dark root, love the hairline. It's not too bad for me. I'm not much into having to pluckety pluck, but if you want to do that, you can, because again, it does come with plenty of parting area on it. I did have to, as you guys see, tie it down a little bit to get the hump, and I feel like it's still there, like, because it's the frontal piece here, I feel like it's still there. But other than that, yeah, she's pretty. She's definitely a look, and you can pull her up as well and wear her up if you want. I may post some pictures of her in an updo, so make sure that you guys are following me on Instagram, because I'll post some pictures there. I'll post some pictures in my story. Let me know if you guys got her. Let me know if this has sparked new interest, because she is really a pretty wig. So thank y'all so much for catching me today on the channel. I appreciate you guys pulling up on a sister. Returning subscribers in YouTube, babes. What's up? What's good? What's poppin'? Thank y'all so much for sticking with me and sticking with me through till the end of the video. Let me know. I keep asking this. Let me know if this has sparked new interest. Let me know if you have it in this color, what you guys think about it. I know the hairline is thick. Do you think it's worth it with the hairline being thick? Let me know about that. So if you guys decide to share this video or any of my videos on social media platform, y'all know, don't forget to tag me in it. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or TikTok. The name is Beautiebymark. I will see you, ladies and gentlemen, in my next video. Bye.